new platform allows drone operators to capture footage from famous Scottish landmarks. Drone operators now have a unique opportunity to fly their drones over some of Scotland's most iconic historic landmarks. Stirling Castle, the childhood home of Mary Queen of Scots, is just one of over 200 sites managed by Historic Environment Scotland, HES, where drone pilots can apply for flight permissions through a new platform. This marks a significant development for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike, enabling them to capture once in a lifetime footage at some of the country's most famous castles, cathedrals, and stately homes. Image of Stirling Castle by John McPake, Creative Commons, new platform streamlines the drone flight application process. Historically, drone operators had to request permission directly through the Historic Environment Scotland website to take off and land at one of the organization's properties. Notable sites include Edinburgh Castle, Blackness Castle, and Doon Castle. With the rise in drone technology, these requests have increased, outgrowing the previous system's capacity to manage them. Now, thanks to the new platform developed by Altitude Angel, drone pilots can easily apply to fly at these historic sites through the UK's most popular drone flight planning app, Drone Assist, or via DroneSafetyMap.com. The platform allows Historic Environment Scotland to efficiently manage flight requests, giving them the flexibility to approve or decline applications or suggest alternative flight times based on venue availability, opening hours, or other events taking place on the ground. Paul Spence, Senior Filming and Photography Manager at HES, highlighted the significance of this platform, the ability to manage the use of drones around the properties in our trust, giving operators a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to film in historic and famous locations and landmarks is something we're very proud to be leading on. First sites now accepting applications. The first sites to go live with the platform include Tantallon Castle, Caerlaverock Castle, and Huntly Castle, with more properties set to follow in future phases. Drone operators interested in capturing Scotland's rich history from above can now submit their flight requests and await approval from HES through this streamlined process. Spence emphasized the unique visual perspective drones provide. Filming with drones offers a unique opportunity to appreciate and capture our sites from a whole new point of view. When revealed from above, it becomes even more apparent the work that went into creating these properties and how magnificent some of the shapes and designs of the properties in our care really are. A significant step for drone operators and historic sites. The introduction of this new platform represents a milestone for both drone operators and heritage sites across Scotland. With the support of Altitude Angel's approval services, this initiative promises to enhance the way these historic landmarks are experienced and documented through aerial footage. Chris Forster, Chief Operating Officer of Altitude Angel, shared his enthusiasm. Enabling drone flights at sites and venues across Scotland, including the iconic Stirling and Edinburgh castles, through approval services is a huge milestone for both Altitude Angel and drone operators in the UK. Scotland is blessed with some of the world's most beautiful and iconic buildings and scenery. To be able to capture on film these sites, with the blessing of those trusted to manage them, at a time and from a place which is beneficial to all, is something we're immensely proud to have helped bring about. This new system not only provides drone pilots with an unprecedented opportunity to capture footage of Scotland's most treasured sites, but also allows Historic Environment Scotland to maintain the integrity and safety of these national treasures. For more information about the drone flight application process, visit Drone Assist or DroneSafetyMap.com.